So let us discuss about agricultural life cycle. So agricultural life cycle means how basically the flow of agriculture. Flow of agriculture means like what are the stages involved. Basically, what is the process that was being underlying process behind this agriculture. So it had three stages. The first stage is input stage. The second stage is production stage, and the third stage is post production stage. So you have total of three stages. So let us discuss about each stage. So the for input stage. So what are the inputs that that are required? What are the inputs that are required in agriculture? So you need to have seeds, you need to have land, you need to have water and fertilizers, pesticides. Then you need to have capital, you need to have energy, that is electricity, and you need to have insurance, without which insurance is very much needed for agriculture. You need to have insurance, and think for some more. What are all needed in agriculture as an input? You have insurance. You need to have insurance, and am I missing anything? I had capital, I had energy, I had insurance. Yeah, I need to have agricultural labor, right? I need to have someone to work in my land. So those are all the inputs broadly which are needed. And then in the production stage, that means what are produced what are the outputs of agriculture. So it may be crops, it can be cash crops and food crops. And not only this, we have horticulture, we have livestock, various other kinds of production. And post production is an important thing as far as agriculture is considered, because the steps that are involved in post production, the processes that are involved in post production are very much crucial. So once you after production in the farm, after those produce would first be transported, right? That produce would first be transported and then stored, and from there it would go to either market or food processing. And you have different kinds of market. You have domestic market, or you will sell it to government, or you will export your produce. So basically this is the broad thinking pattern that was involved in agriculture. So this is all about broadly the steps involved in agriculture. Every answer revolved around these steps only, whatever it might be. Such as if asked about problems in agriculture, just give what are the problems in seeds, what are the problems in land, water, fertilizers, and if the question is about how to double farmers' income. It's the same. If you know about the production and post production, all the steps which are involved, you could either reducing transport costs, reducing storage costs, and increasing market accessibility. All these things will increase the farmer's income, right? So if you know this basic pattern, agriculture would be a cake for you. So first, after finishing this video, what you need to do is that write this table by your own. Try by your own. which is a good exercise for you. So like it would be definitely gives you some better returns in your exam if you know this very well. Thank you.